Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to tell you guys how to fix U0155 Lost communication with instrument panel cluster module code. If you're getting U0155, it means that the engine control module, also known as the computer, can no longer communicate with the IPC or instrument panel cluster module. To locate the module, it's going to be built together with the instrument panel cluster. Now, when that instrument panel cluster module had fell, or there's a break in the wire, or there's no communication between the instrument panel cluster and the engine control module, you're going to notice all sorts of symptoms. For example, when that module is bad, it is going to affect the instrument panel cluster. For example, the tachometer may stop working, the RPM gauge may stop working. You're going to notice the LCD screen, it may start to flicker, or it might become extremely dim, or it may not work at all. And you're going to notice multiple gauges will not work on the instrument panel cluster. There are a lot of reasons why the instrument panel cluster may stop communicating with the engine control module. And some of the common reason is there's going to be some sort of connection issue. For example, if you look on the back side of the cluster, there's going to be a connector right there, and there's also going to be wires right there. And due to vibration when the vehicle is traveling or moving, it can cause the wire to temporarily become loose, or the connector to temporarily become loose. And it only takes a split second for the connection to not be connected, and it can cause a communication issue and trigger that code. One thing you want to do is you want to remove the connector, and you want to inspect on the inside. You want to make sure that the connector is not corroded. You want to make sure there's no corrosion on it, and also you want to inspect the pin as well, and you want to make sure it is not corroded. I know for some vehicle, and I have seen this before, that sometimes water finds its way inside the vehicle, and for some reason it causes the backside of the instrument panel cluster to become full of moisture, and moisture or condensation can cause the connector to become corroded. Another thing you want to do is you want to get a wiring diagram, and you want to make sure that power is actually getting to the instrument panel cluster. And of course, you need to turn your ignition to the on position to check for power going to the instrument panel cluster. The next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that there's no break in communication. So you're going to have to use a multimeter, and you want to check for continuity between the wire on the instrument panel cluster going to the engine control module. If there is a break, make sure to fix that issue. And of course, I always check for a blown fuse. If that fuse is blown for the instrument panel cluster, make sure to replace it. And lastly, if that module is put together with the instrument panel cluster, make sure to reprogram it, because for some vehicle, if you don't reprogram it, it can actually prevent your vehicle from starting, because it is going to be connected with the engine control module and this module, and there's going to be some sort of anti-theft that's going to be involved with it. I hope you found that video useful. As always, thank you for watching, and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.